Hey guys, hi YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a haul. I haven't done hauls in a really long time. I kind of just forgot about them. Blue, I don't know. This blue is really nice. And yeah, I've been wearing a lot of it. All right, so the first thing that I got was actually two things. Was this earrings. Me and my hubby were walking around the mall, and they have an African store. So I picked these up, and I love them. And the other thing we got was this. So it was an African drum. It was like $34, which was a ripoff. But my husband was like, I gotta get that. I want the drum. So we got that. Okay, that was so random. The next thing I got is, I've been really on a kick where I do my nails now. You know, nails. And my toes have always been done, but now I'm doing nails. So I got a whole set of gel manicure nail polish set. You do need a lamp to cure these. So they're these right here. And you pretty much set them, and they last, like, I would say a good 3 weeks. So I love to use gel nails. The thing that I got was this. If you are a content creator, or you take a lot of pictures and videos and you run out of space out of your phone, instead of deleting stuff or trying to buy space, get one of these. So it pretty much opens up like this, and you get an SD card, you plug it into your phone, and then you can go ahead and move all your videos, your photos in here. So you can get as many SD cards as you want. So I usually get like the 128 gigabytes because I have a lot of videos. I have a lot of stuff that I need to move. So I'm always like, it's so awesome. Okay. But I'll link all this stuff below so you guys can check them out. Remover for gel. Gel are hard to remove. Okay. So whenever I cure them and stuff like that, taking them out is hard. So you need some kind of a liquid thing, and you pretty much apply it on the gel nails, and it will start melting. I'll show a picture. It's still melting, and then you could just go ahead and wipe it off. Really easy. So I always buy these and keep them around because I do my gel nails. The thing I got is CANTU Shea Butter Firm Hold Gel for your edges. I don't like it. I've tried it before, but I just wanted something small to keep with me so I can always, you know, have it with me. It does smell good, but I know it doesn't work that well when you put it on. I've tried it in the past, and it kind of just, you see, this morning I did it, and it does a decent job, but it's not the best. I used to use EcoStyle for a long time. Honestly, I don't use gel that often because my hair is never really out like that. But when I have like my little bun, you know, I use this. The e.l.f. Brow Laminating Gel. I've seen this TikToker who swears by this, and it's supposed to keep your brows from moving, and it has a picture right there showing you guys that once you put it on, it doesn't move. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it today, and let's see, and I'll maybe update it later on and see how it works. And if it does work really well, then I might have to let go of the NYX one and just keep this, because yeah, she swears by this. So I'm definitely gonna be trying it. This is something new. Gold Bond Body Bright Daily Body and Face Lotion. So I'm gonna try to use this all over my body, not my face, to see if it can help. It has vitamin C in it. It's supposed to brighten your skin over time. So I want my, like I was telling you guys in the video that I did, I'll link it, where I'm showing you guys how to have better legs and smoother, silky looking legs. I want to have an even tone leg. So I'm hoping that this would do the trick. A lot of people, it does smell like orange, and it's kind of thick. Yeah, it has an orange smell, and it's kind of thick. Yeah. And I put it so far on my arms, especially my dark areas of my elbows. I've been using the rubbing alcohol, then applying it. And I want to see if it makes a difference. Because I really want my whole body to have like an even tone. On top of using scrubs and all that stuff. Alright, so yes, me and my family jumped on the bandwagon. So this is my son's, this is mine. My husband got one. We have Stanley cups. So over time, the Stanley cup straws start to, you know, get old. They start to, like my son was chewing his. So I got a pack of Stanley Cup straws. I don't know how much they were. Yeah, but they're pretty cool. Yeah, so that's that. They came in like a 6-pack. I used a green one already and stuff. Yeah, so, but those have really been useful. Okay, next thing. So the next things are things that I bought. The first one was this tank top. So cute. From Target. I think they're like $4. This is a V-neck, and it has stripes. Stripes are kind of in this season, so I got one. But they fit really well. They're nice for tucking in, and they're a little bit thicker. But so far, I really like them. The next one that I got was a tank top from Walmart. I did a video on it. And these are also $4.98. They come in so many different colors as well. I love this because I'm a tank top person in the summer. I have heat flashes, and yeah, in the summer it's shorts, a tank, and some sandals, and I'm ready to go. So this came in handy. I might have to go back again and get another color because they're so easy to put in and they tuck in really well into your jeans, skirts, and stuff like that. The other one was this dress. You guys saw the video that I got from Ross. I almost returned this dress, but then I'm like, oh, it matched so well with the earrings, and the blue is amazing on me, and so I'm kind of like, for $12, why do I have to return it? So I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Okay, so the other thing that I got was this button-up white shirt. It's very lightweight, very loose. It has a pocket. This was, I think, was like $10 at Ross. And one of the reasons I picked this up is to layer on top. So once you wear shorts and a tank inside, you put this on top and it's an easy look, you know. Put your handbag, put your shades on, and ready to go. You can also tie it in the waist, which I'll probably do today when I'm going out. I'm going to try to style it with a skirt and tie it. And it creates a whole different look. But I'll show you guys the look that I did with it and right here. All right, guys, those are pretty much, I can't talk. All right, so those are all the things that I got so far. Like, I know there's more stuff, but I've just been kind of forgetting to do hauls. And so, yeah. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.